Hello and welcome to my channel, En Casa de Araceli. Today's dish is enchiladas michoacanas. The ingredients are corn tortillas, crumbling cheese, 3 guajillo peppers, 2 ancho peppers, garlic, salt, cabbage, onion, tomato, radish, and oil. We remove the seeds from the guajillo and ancho peppers and we put them to boil. Once boiled, put them into a blender with garlic, salt, and a cup of water that we used to boil them in to puree. Next, let's prepare some potatoes. Cut the potatoes into small cubes. Add salt and fry them. Once fried, add 2 tablespoons of the red chili sauce that we've already prepared. We chop the onion as small as possible to add it to the crumbling cheese. This step is optional. Now chop the cabbage, cut tomato and radish to prepare a salad. Next, let's pour some oil into the pan at low heat. Then dip the tortillas in the red chili sauce and slightly fry the tortillas. Once the tortilla is done, add crumbling cheese and fold them. Then add the cabbage, tomato, sour cream, crumbling cheese, and garnish with radish and slices of avocado. And serve your dish with some chicken and potatoes. This is how I prepare enchiladas michoacanas. Hope you enjoyed learning how to prepare enchiladas from different states of the Mexican Republic and Texas. Thanks for your attention and support, and thank you for sharing my recipes, and I look forward to your comments. Till next time.